How to delete Safari search history on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch a Safari browser, click on three dots given at the bottom right corner. Navigate to the option bookmarks. Now here you're gonna find different section. Head over to this clock kind of section. Now on this page you're gonna find your search history. It will appear on the basis of the time frame. So if you're looking for deleting a specific website or the specific search, what you wanna do is head towards that search and then swipe to the left. Click on the option delete. Likewise, if you want to delete the search history of a whole day, what you want to do is click on this drop down. Navigate to the day, press and hold on it and swipe to the left, select the option delete. Likewise, if you want to delete all of this search history, what you can do is click on three dots given at the top right. Click on the option clear. Now you'll need to select these. First, select the time frame, likewise profile. And also you can toggle on for the option close all tabs. Then click on the option clear history. With that, you'll be good to go. Your search history will be cleared. So this is how you can easily delete search history on Safari on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.